like this, but there is some problem in the. Hello guys, again going to mess. So guys, today we starting our 3D model printing of robotic arm. So there is base printing started. There is a settings. There is a time which is take around two uh, 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours. Let's see when it complete. Hey guys, so it's day 2. I don't record anything in this time period of 2 days because of some issues or something. Like today I go to college, then there is lab like all day, then there is classes, and there is ethical hacking lab and IR lab in which I have developing a model, 3D model. You don't know about that. Let's see it. Yes, I am developing this model. Like this, you can't see now. Front look, here is the front look. Yes, like this, but there is some problem in the printer, so the material is not coming like what I want to make this. I have just tried to figure out where is the problem and doing research work on this. Also, there is I have created this all, downloaded this all model files. And there is different parts of that model that assemble with screw and nuts. Then there is servo motors to control this through Arduino circuit. Like that, I have find this is cool. So working on this. Also, there is my ethical hacking lab. I have done 4 experiments till now, in which I have know how to scan any network, any domain, then how to connect with that domain. If available there is any port is open, and I have tried with 2 machines. I have tried with 2 machines. So I have done work in ethical hacking with 2 systems, like I have told you. Let's see. With whiteboard. So there is one machine, like there is the one other one. Select that. Yes. So this is the target using Ubuntu. Oh, and there is the our attacker, which has Kali Linux. So attacker establish a connection to target machine via port. We need to find some ports. How to find ports? Before there is some commands. There is TCP/IP port, like that. If we can connect through this port, then can connect the attacker to port of target machine. There is some command that we use as a IP address command, which gives the IP of the target machine. If cause I have set up these two different on my VM. On my VMware, on my college system, I have set up these two machines. One is Kali, one is Ubuntu. Then using this tool, I have done my experiment like nmap, uses of nmap, then usage of wait a minute, immuniter. Yes, immuniter I use. Then as there is the today I have used something tools like June Johnny the Ripper, which is used for password cracking. First off, I have the access of one file which is I have created a password. Then convert this file into like I have converted this that file in like what is called. I converted that file in hash. I can't remember the name of the file. Like just memory issues or something like different things. So converted this file into a hash file. Then the hash file I have used to crack back into the main password. So that is the happen through Johnny the Ripper, like a library or you say tool which is used for cracking the passwords. That for some he crack the password within some 5 to 10 second only. But there is setup. First I have to set up the thing, then that is work. So like that I have worked today on these things. Then I look at this frame much more aesthetic now. Like this is my setup and the reflection in this window comes like that, and it's awesome aesthetically. And room is something like I don't switch on the light because I have much more visibility now in this reflections or some like shines, sunshine, not reflection. Let's see how to fix my wording and my sentence framing. I have working on this thing. Also I have to work on my skills to be improved. I have working on this type of skills. Let's see until when I have to fix my English like that. Just see. This tool is also very much easy to operate. I have to use this like tools. What I am saying rubbishly, sorry for that. I just want to clear my communication with. I also want to try with my friends, so some video can become. It's maybe type things. Can I shoot with them like how to communicate with English and debating on something that is not much matters, but for improving your communication like that. I don't see how I look in this lighting. Yes, there is less lighting, so I when I flip the phone I not be seen by you all. Sorry for that. And that's it. I want to fix my what is telling this frames or the look. Let's meet tomorrow. Also want to fix this pronunciation and with my ability to speak clearly. So friend whom I communicate can listen to me and can understand what I want to tell him. Therefore, I am recording these longer videos of communications and also want to develop my body language as a part of professional etiquettes. If I can't express through my in-verbal expression, then how do I explain clearly? If I can explain with my thoughts to directly to the stakeholders, to the interviewer, to the HR, or anything else in these time periods or in this timeline, that is beneficial in my life. I can think like that. And then therefore I can practice things. If I can't think like that, then there is no reason of thinking I can perfect myself. So let's see, is there anything I can do tonight? And if not, then there is the end of this vlog. So let's see and meet in the next vlog. Bye, guys.